What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming to watch another video. If you are new, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed. Today I'm going to be trying some clothes from Fashio Nova. It is my first order from fashionova.com. Yes, their website is kind of overwhelming. You really have to go with an idea in mind of what you want to wear. If you have something coming up, you need something specific, you want a certain look, you definitely need to have an idea, because I'm telling you, like, I got overwhelmed. I had a choice to order whatever I wanted because I had a sponsor. Shout out to Warren Global Group for sponsoring me for this video. I am so freaking excited. I love Fashio Nova. Everything about their clothes is really like hot. They have so many options, dresses, like everything that you need, Fashio Nova probably has. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. Okay, so this is my package. It came really fast. I feel like I ordered it on like a Wednesday, and then I got it Monday. So of course not the weekends. The weekends didn't count because those aren't business days. So I got it on Monday morning, bright and early. Okay, so this is everything that I ordered. Of course they send you cards and stuff like that. Okay, so I ordered a dress, a top, some earrings, and a bando. Well, I thought I ordered some earrings. Definitely don't see them. If I keep eating this pizza, I'm not gonna be able to fit any of these clothes. So, sorry guys, I'm like working and eating at the same time, so. I ordered a black top, and it's like, it hangs off the shoulder, and it's the Enjoy the Moment top. And then I got this bando. I love bandos. I wear them with everything. And I got it in the color camouflage. And then I got this pink Ruffle Florence dress. Oh my gosh, I love pink. As you can tell, pink looks really good on me, and it makes me look bright and, you know, alive. So I'm going to try the first thing on, which is the bando. Okay. So this is the first piece that I got. It's a camouflage bando. And first off, let me say, something is poking the shit out of me. This tag right here, y'all, this tag got to go. Like, it is seriously irritating the hell out of me, and I just put it on. It's already irritating. Other than that, I really like the length of this bando. Like, I honestly thought it was gonna like stop like right up under my breast. It goes down and it gives me more like stability, and it fits me really well. This is in the size 3X. I like it. I'm probably gonna put some like really cute ripped jeans. I just threw some bottoms on so that I wouldn't have any just panties on, you know. So but this is really cute. I like it, and like I said, it fits really good. It's super comfortable, and I love the length of it. It goes right above my belly button, and yeah, this is gonna be fly. What you guys think? Okay, so this is piece number 2. It is a ruffle off the shoulder shirt, and off the bat I can already say I'm gonna like it, because you know how some shirts that are off the shoulder, they'll be like rolling up all day and you try to keep them down. Well, these have like elastic bands here, so they help stay right there on your shoulder and not be rolling up. They have the bell sleeves, which are super cute, and it's going to add a lot of elegance to the piece. It also has this elastic going right up the middle, and it has adjustable strings, so I can actually like shorten it if I want to. And That's super cute. And then wear like some high-waisted pants. Right now I just have on some flowy striped pants, and it's super comfortable. Like, I like this. It's comfortable. It fits me very well. It fits my curves, and it gives me a lot of tummy control. So if I wanted to wear it further down, I would just loosen it up. You loosen it up by pulling down right here just a little, and it gives me tummy control, so I can show more tummy or I can show a little tummy. So that is pretty cool. This is a really cute shirt. This is in a size 3X, and it's Enjoy the Moment top. Okay, so this is the moment that I've been waiting for. This is the pink ruffle dress, which is what I'll be wearing for my project. First thing first, I love, you guys can barely see, but I love the length in this dress. It goes all the way down to my knee, and then the back goes all the way down to my ankles. So it's a high, well, it's a low high dress, high-low dress, whatever you want to call it. Another thing, love the color. It has this accent here that really like makes your boobs look bigger, and also it has an accent here which kind of cuts off the illusion of, you know, like a pudgy stomach or a bigger stomach, and I do have a bigger stomach. It fits. This is a size 3X, and it fits really good, and it's so super smooth in the back. One thing I was worried about is when I ordered this dress, I did not want to wear like 4 girdles, you know what I'm saying, to like suck my stomach in. I have on a smoothing girdle, so it just smoothens out the surface. But if I put on like one more girdle that actually sucks me in, this dress will look so good. But I really like it now. It's really pretty, like super gorgeous. Love this dress. Okay, so that was the only pieces that I bought from Fashio Nova. And let me say, for my first time, I'm really satisfied. I'm a happy customer right now because everything fits good. The models were true to size, I believe, because I got all 3X's, and for the models that were 3X's that kind of had like the similar body, like mine, it fit really like how it was in the picture. So that's a good thing, you know. We get intimidated. Hey, but let me call you back. I'm recording a video. Okay. So I know, like, we get really intimidated when we shop online because we don't know how it's going to look on us. Like, seriously, sometimes websites be lying, and they stuff do not be like accurate, like to pictures and stuff like that. And it just has like a simple like stitching that just makes it fit hella weird. So Fashio Nova girl, I'm very happy and a satisfied customer, and I will be ordering more from Fashio Nova. Yes, I got my first order from Fashio Nova. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for coming to watch. I really hope that you enjoyed, and if you want to shop on Fashio Nova, get your shop on, girl, because I definitely recommend it. Also, once again, shout out to Warren Global Group for sponsoring this video. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you next time.